Look at how crisp these pieces of celery are after having them sealed in the jar for about a week. And the blueberries stayed nice. We even did hard-boiled eggs. The Plateful vacuum sealer for canning is so easy to use. You just put it right on the top, turn it on, push the button, and it takes about 30 to 60 seconds to vacuum seal the jar. This is a great way to preserve your fruits and vegetables, or really anything, nuts and dry goods, for longer than they last just in the normal, in the packaging that it comes in. It would have been very helpful for us to have this when we were provisioning for a 6-month trip to the Bahamas, where fresh fruit does not last longer than about a day in the Bahamas when you buy it there. Um, we could have used this to have more fruits and vegetables. Um, so here it is, vacuum sealing jar of strawberries, and you can see how tight that lid stays on once it is vacuum sealed. So you just put the ring top back on and put it in the refrigerator. And we did enjoy some pretzels that were vacuum sealed, and the eggs there, the hard-boiled eggs, on a nice little charcuterie board when we were sailing, and the celery. These are regular ball mason jars that were used to do all these canning, and I would highly recommend this. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.